Discover how to start earning on YouTube from your very first day, using strategies that work before the algorithm takes notice. Many believe you need 10,000 subscribers to start earning, but this is the slowest and most unreliable path. Real opportunities exist before reaching this milestone. Relying on ad revenue is a painfully slow and unreliable strategy. Instead, focus on day-one income streams that don't require massive scale. Explore 3 income streams that work immediately: affiliate marketing, digital products, and service-based outreach. No subscribers required. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions from day one. Choose products you believe in and start promoting without any audience size restrictions. Sell digital products by packaging your knowledge into solutions for specific problems. Even a small audience can lead to sales. Use your videos as a portfolio to reach out to businesses and land clients. Your channel becomes a lead machine, working for you 24/7. Beginners often wait for permission or a large audience before monetizing. Instead, treat every video as a business asset from the start. Before uploading, ensure your video has a clear monetization angle and call to action. Treat every upload as a business asset. Choose a stream, find your monetization angle, and start treating every upload as a business asset. Begin earning from your very first video.